Everyone, how are you? We are coming up with more exciting updates. Today I will let you know one thing. Soon we will opening our own website. You all can download our master's notes and question from over there. Your support is our key to success. Jangan lupa untuk buat subscribe ya.
Good evening. So today I'm going to do Form 1 chapters. Okay, actually I understand chapter 1, but chapter 1 is very easy, rational number. Maybe I do coming class. So today I'm going to do chapter 2. Okay, that is called factors and multiples. Okay, first of all you must understand what meaning of odd numbers. Odd numbers means, okay, the number cannot divisible by 2. It's starting with the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and so on. So then second you must know even number. Even number means it will be multiple, we can say multiple 2, or the number exactly can divide by 2, they call even numbers. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. Alright. Third things you must know that prime numbers. Okay, prime number means the number only divisible by itself and 1. Only divisible itself and 1 means cannot divide with any other number. Alright, that is called prime number. Prime number is very important. 1 is not prime number. Alright, prime number starting with 2. All prime numbers is odd numbers except 2. Alright, so example now, the prime number 1 is not prime number is 32, 3, 5, 7, 9 not prime number because can divide by 3. So 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21 is not prime number, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37 and so on. This is called prime number. These numbers cannot divide by any other number except itself and 1. That is regarding of the numbers. Alright. So I think everybody understand what's the odd number. The number, okay, studying the 1. So following number will be plus 2. Even number, okay, we can say times 2. Prime number means the number only divisible itself and 1. Alright? Okay. So now we're going to start all the meaning of factors. Okay, factors actually got 3. We call common factors, highest common factors and prime factors. Alright, these are going to learn, and after that you're going to learn second aspect called multiples. Multiples means, okay, we are going to learn common multiples and lowest common multiples. These are things going to learn under this topic. Alright, now, so what's meaning factors? Okay, we start with the factors. Okay, factors mean we can say divide. Factor mean divide. So example I give you now. So whenever say factors of 12, that means what number can divide by 12? So actually we can say any number, any factor studied in the 1 end up itself. So any factor studied in the 1 end up itself, because 12, any number can divide itself and 1. So always that is the 1 end up itself. Then you see between 1 to 12 what number can divide 12. There will be 2, 3, 4, 6. That is called factors. Okay. So another way to get the factors, we can get the product of 12. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. You list all, you get the answer. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. That's the way. So another way to calculate, to get the factors of 12. Alright? Now this is called factor of 12. So if I say a factor of 18. So what number can divide by 18? Any factor starting in the 1 end up itself. Then 2, alright, 3, okay, 4, 3, 6, 18. So this is called factors. Alright, 3 times 6, 18. Easy, you can calculate this 1 times 18, 18, 2 times, you can use 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 6, 18. So this is called factors. So first thing, second is going to learn common factors. What we call common factors? Common factors, okay. The meaning of common means same. Okay, whenever they ask common factors, so which is the same, okay, common factor of example 12 and 18. So among these numbers, which is the same, that is called common factor. That is called 1, 2, 3, 6. So the common factor of 12 and 18 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. This is called common factor. The mean factor means exactly you can divide it by the number. Common factor means which is the same among the number. Third is called highest common factor. We call highest common factor. Okay, got two methods. Method 1 we call listing method. Another method we call algorithm method or long division. You can say long division or algorithm method. So for example, listing method is highest common factor. For example of 12 and 18, among this number, which is a common, which is highest, so the 6 is highest. So highest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6. That's the answer. So listing means just list factor of 12, factor of 18. Among this listing, which is the highest among the same common factors, which is highest, that is called highest common factor. Okay, long division, actually we divide with the prime number. We divide the prime number. That's why you must know what's mean prime number. This one I will explain. Prime number until common factor. Until common factor. Common factors. Okay. So now, so I'm going to give you example now. Right now. So another name of the long division can call algorithm method. Okay. So for example now, so highest common factor of what you call 12 and 18 can use 12 and 18 use algorithm method, divide by 2. 12 divided by 2 you get 6, 18 divided by 2 you get 9, 6 divided by 3 you get 2, 9 divided by 3 3. So we stop here because 2 and 3 don't have the common factor. Cannot divide by same number you call common factor. Is it? Divide into common factor. We stop here. Here times 2 times 3 becomes 6. So that means highest common factor of 12 and 18 is that you call 6. You see, just now is listing method also get 6, using algorithm method also 6. That means in exam can use both method. Alright. So third one, prime factors. I think everybody understand what's meaning factors. Factors mean divide. So common factor means which is the same. Highest common factor means among the same which is highest. They call highest common factor. Finally, for factors is a prime factors. Okay, prime factors. Prime factors. What's meaning prime factors? Among the factors which is a prime number. Prime number. Okay, among the factors which are prime number. For example, you can use listing method, or you can use long division or algorithm method. Okay, so what is called, for example, okay, they say prime factors of 18, for example. So you list all the factors of 18 that you call, you know that 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, 6. So among these numbers, okay, this is called factors. But they want prime factors, mean among the factors, you choose the prime number. Just now I'm going to explain what's the prime number. So the prime number is 2 and 3. So prime factor of 18 is 2 and 3. That's the answer. So this is called listing method. Second method use algorithm method. Okay, long division. And a simple we call long division or algorithm method. We divide with prime number until 1. Until 1. So for example, prime factors, I give the same example to understand. Okay, prime factors of 18, that we call 18 divided by 2, you get 9, 9 divided by 3, 3 divided by 3, you get 1. So you get 2, 3, 3, but the one only the factors, prime factor is just write down 2 and 3. So that's the answer. So you got listing method and long division. You get the same answer. So that's all for the factors. I think everybody understand. Now we go second aspect. We call multiples. Okay, we go multiples. Okay, multiples, another way name multiple you can say times. What's the meaning times? You see, for example, a multiple of 3. So after this m is multiple, multiple of 3. So multiple of 3 means times 3. There is a 3, 1 times 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36 and so on. Alright. So if I give you multiple of 4, so multiple of 8 times 4. Okay, 1 times 4, 4, 2 times 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and so on. So this is called multiples. Multiple means times. Okay, multiple 5 means 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Multiple 10 means 10, 20, 100, 200, 300. Multiple 100 means 100, 200, 300. So multiple means times. So this is called multiples. Second, you must know the common multiples. Common multiples means, okay, which is a same. Whenever say a common means same. So whenever say common multiples, then which is the same between multiples of 3 and 4, which is same among these. So it is that called common multiples. 12, okay, 24, 36 and so on. Okay, so common multiples of 3 and 4 is 12, 24, 36 and so on. This is a way to find common multiples. Alright, and finally we call LCM. LCM stands for lowest common multiples. Actually, for example, okay, you got a listing method and long division. So listing method means, for example, if they ask LCM of 3 and 4, okay, among these same, which is smallest number 12. So the common, okay, lowest common multiple 3 and 4. Lowest means S stands for lowest common multiples. That means among this, which is a lowest, then it will be answer. So second method, I'm going to teach you long division. Alright, I think everybody understand multiple means times. Okay, common multiple means same. Lowest common multiple means among the same, which is a smallest. Okay, that we call lowest common multiples. Okay, another method 2 we use long division, or another word we call algorithm method. Okay, so how to do the method is divide with prime number. Always divide the prime number until 1. Okay, now for example I give you now. So lowest common multiples of 12 and 18. So you need to divide 12 and 18. So you need to divide by 2. Smallest prime number is 2. Divide by 2, you get it 6. 18 divided by 2, 9. Divide by 3, you get it 2, 3. Okay, this one need to divide until 1. So here will be divide by 2, you get it 1. Bring down the 3, divide by 3, you get it 1, 1. So you times this 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. So you get 6, answer will be 36. So that means LCM of 12 and 18 is answer is 36. Okay, this is a way to calculate. That's all for this topic.